So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you see my drawing pad? Do you know what shape this is? Yeah, it's a rectangle. Hey, why don't you and I draw some shapes together today? All right, let's pick blue. All right, let's start with a circle. Yeah, you know how to draw a circle. Yeah, a circle is one continuous line, and it continues all the way back to where it started with no sharp corners. Cool, so that is a circle. All right, let's take purple, and let's draw a square. All right, and it is 4 corners that are 90 degrees each. So here's one line, another line, another line, and another line. And that right there is a square. Whoa, hey, and I have a really tricky one. Yeah, and it's part of our bodies, our heart. Oh, because I love you. Here we go. There we go. Wow, what a beautiful heart. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about,